Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Miss Dominy, and I'm here to talk to you about our trip to Madison College. When are we going to Madison College, you ask? Tomorrow, February 5th. With school being shut down last week, we didn't get a chance to talk about this, and so we're going to talk about it today. We're heading out tomorrow. We're going to be going in two different groups. Ms. Magera, Mr. Smith, Ms. Liebel, and Ms. Stoa's classes. You all are going to head out in the morning. We're going to leave here by bus at about 9:40, and we'll be at Madison College for about an hour, and then we'll head back to O'Keefe after we're done. Mr. Bergman, and Miss Paulson's classes, you'll be heading out in the afternoon. We'll head out about 12:40, and we'll be back about 2:20. Why in the world are we going as sixth graders? Is it already that time to start thinking about life after high school? Well, guess what? It totally is. There's a lot of research that shows that you are at an optimal age to start thinking about your futures. Notice we said start thinking, so you don't have to have it all figured out right now. At your age, your job is to just start to explore all the different options. As you get older, you're going to have the opportunity to do different kinds of experiential learning and visit other kinds of colleges. There are a lot of different options at Madison College for us to explore. There's over 150 associate's degrees, technical diplomas, certificates, and apprenticeship programs. If you don't know what all that means, don't worry. Those are great questions to ask tomorrow, and they will likely go over those with us. Madison College is a great place to kind of find your feet. So if you find yourself in high school not really sure that you're quite ready to head away or head to a great big school, Madison College is a nice place to land. There's a lot of hands-on learning, including using 3D printers, high definition cameras. There's a whole robotics center. You have really amazing lifelike patients, simulated patients if you're into healthcare. There's also simulated crime scenes if you want to get into criminal justice type careers. And if you're into farming or agriculture, there's a great deal of equipment in that front. Madison College also has a lot of great facilities, really professional. There's the new Ingenuity Center, there's an emergency room and trauma center learning area, protective services, student achievement centers, award-winning libraries, biotechnology and stem cell labs, and brand new culinary facilities, culinary meaning cooking. There are a lot of great careers that you can earn in just 1 to 2 years of school after high school. They include different kinds of apprenticeships, automotive, so working on fixing cars or other kinds of things, cosmetology, beauty related careers, culinary arts, again, which is chef or other kinds of cooking related pieces, public safety, healthcare, STEM related careers, science, technology, education, math, information technology, manufacturing, and veterinary techs, just to name a few. Another thing that Madison College has going for it is you can start at Madison College and go there for 2 years, and if you get a B average or better, you are able to take your credits and transfer those to UW-Madison or one of the other UW system schools and several others. And that gives you a nice way to go about starting college. Some of the reasons to begin your college experience at Madison College is they have much smaller class sizes. There are lots of classes that you can transfer to the UW systems. Sometimes you have classes that are even taught by University of Wisconsin professors, and it is a lot more cost effective. So you can save nearly $13,000 a year by heading over to Madison College. There's lots of help for students if they need it with academic advising, counseling, career services, disability resources, English as second language, tutoring, financial aid, and veterans services. There's also a lot of things to do outside of the classroom. They have a volunteer center, clubs and organization, performing arts, athletics, student senate, and a student newspaper and radio station. So think about, what do you want to do or study when you grow up? Then try to think of some questions that you might want to ask tomorrow as we are going around and seeing what Madison College has to offer. So remember to listen and pay attention during the tour and ask some great questions. And they're super excited to have us here. They've had a number, pretty much all of the other middle schools have gone on this tour and had a very good experience. So we hope you're excited. Please get those permission slips in tomorrow with your family's permission for you to attend. And we look forward to the trip. We'll have more information after this.